As you might remember from some of our previous lessons, templates are what create the look and feel of your site. If you recall this diagram, a content management system gives us the ability to separate our content, our design, and the technical design or programming from each other so that parts of the system can be updated really easily. When an update comes out, you can easily update your site without affecting your content or your design. If you want to change the look and feel of your site, you can create a new design, upload it to your site, and apply it, all without changing the content or the design of Joomla. And similar for content, you can write your HTML, you can write your articles without having to worry about how it's going to look on your site or how it's going to be presented on your site, because the template and Joomla take care of the rest of that for you. So a content management system, again, is split up into three basic parts. So then, just a reminder from our last lesson, a component is like the engine of a car. It does the heavy work. The modules are like the dashboard. They display information and give us places around our site to put stuff. The plugins are the spark plugs. They help with the little tasks like the load position command, the all videos reloaded plugin, and other plugins that we've talked about. And then finally, the template is the paint job. The great thing about Joomla templates is that it can take the basic system and your content and make it look completely unique. For instance, this is a Joomla template. 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 And believe it or not, this is a Joomla template. As I said, your templates can be as creative or as plain as you want them to be. Let's take a closer look at templates. As you remember from our conversation about components and module positions, each template has positions built into it by the author of that template. This is the Catalyst template, and as you can see, there are many, many positions available on this template. There's the top, search, toolbar, header, advert, inset, add user positions, which basically mean that people just ran out of names, left position, right position, all the way down. This is the Inspirion template with a similar layout. Top position, top left, teaser, banner 1, 2, breadcrumbs, left position, main content area, etc. And finally, here's one other one that gives us a slightly different look. A logo at the top, top menu, header, search, top 1, 2, 3, and 4, left, user 1, 2. All of these positions collapse. For instance, here on the bottom 1, 2, 3, and 4. For instance, if there's only 3 of them, so bottom 1, 2, and 3, bottom 4 disappears, and those other 3 spread out to take up the rest of the space. Similarly, if there's only 2, then they'll each take up 50% of the space. If there's only 1, it will take up 100% of the space allotted to those bottom positions. That's a great thing about a good template. All positions collapse and allow content to flow if nothing else is next to them. So where do we get templates? Well, there's some great places to get templates. Templates are available from Joomla24.com, thebestofjoomla.com. Rocket Theme has some amazing templates. We'll look at one of them later. Joomla Art, Joomla Shack. All of these are great. There are a number of things to remember when you buy a template. One of the biggest ones is the demo site is set up to show off their template. And if you're not using exactly the same positions that they are, the template may look very different when you apply it to your site. So something to look for. Free templates, some not bad, some have excellent designs. Take more effort to find good templates. Sometimes they're great proof of design concepts. Great way to learn, frankly, and how to edit your own templates is to download a bunch of them and pick them apart. And they're perfect for low budgets. Templates that you buy usually have more developed designs, far more integrated components like slideshows and things, and you usually have better support because you pay for them and the authors are available to help you. To find the positions that your template offers, we talked about this before, but all you have to do is go in, type $TP equals 1, hit enter, and it will show you all the module positions that are available. This center position is the component, and then the other module positions are laid out for you. So again, $TP equals 1 will show you the module positions for any Joomla template. When you install a template, the files are placed in the templates directory in the template's name directory. Index.php is the main file that governs your website, and this is where you include all of your module positions. It's beyond the scope of this course to really get into template design, but again, if you know some basic HTML and PHP and know how to copy and paste, messing around with a template is not too hard. In the CSS directory, we have the main CSS file. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and CSS governs how text and images and layers appear on your website. That's enough about the nitty-gritty of templates. Let's get into installing and configuring them.